guess what I'm doing? Today, we're gonna make homemade ice cream. It's gonna be so great. Who's ready to make ice cream?
I
All right, y'all. So we're about to make our ice cream. So we have all of our ingredients. We have our small resealable Ziploc bag. We have our larger gallon-sized Ziploc bag.
am.
We have our ice cream salt, half and half. Our vanilla extract. Ooh. Our sugar and our food coloring because we're gonna make our own color ice cream. So first, we're gonna add our sugar. Okay, hold the bag open for us. Sugar. The next thing we're gonna add our vanilla. Just a little bit of vanilla goes a long way. That's all.
It's just bubbles.
I know, it's so cool. Alright. Now, hold the bag open. Add our half and half to the mixture. Now we've got that. And because we want to make it fun, we're gonna add some blue food coloring. All it takes is a drop.
Actually, splatters make it beautiful.
Isn't that look beautiful? All right, so now that we have this, we're gonna seal it. We're gonna try to get all the air out of this. We're gonna bring it close. Bring it close to ourselves like this. Pinch it. Make sure all the air is good out of it. Okay? Perfect. All right, hold on to that first. Now we have to add our ice. I'll be right back with ice. Then we add our ice. No.
Oh.
Keep that closed. All right, so now we gotta reseal it again. Because you want to take all, no, you don't want to seal it like that. Remember we did it earlier. We have to bring it close to us. Bring it closer and get all that air out. You don't want that air to be in it.
Oh, I thought we were supposed to dump it into here.
No. If you do that, you'll have a mess. Yeah, you wouldn't get to have any ice cream. It would just be a bunch of ice everywhere. All right, hold that again, please. Now we add our ice cream salt. And then we add our ice cream. And put that in there and make sure it's sealed up nice and tight. Just seal this up nice and tight. And now is the fun part. You just shake. You're gonna have to shake it for about 7 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Well, we'll be right back after this. We're gonna take Ayana's ice cream. Oh, look at it. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue.
Taste it.
Now we're gonna take.
Taste texture for the
Ooh,
text.
yes, try it.
Salty. Has vanilla. And amazing.
It's amazing.
Yes. Nava, you want to taste some?
Taste it.
Sure. It's salty.
It's salty? Why do y'all keep saying give me this thing? Maybe like some of the ice cream salt we get in there. All right, let's see if yours is ready now.
I would love to taste my brother.
Yours is ready. You see what color Zanila's is? Look it, it's yellow. All right, are you ready? Try yours. What does it taste like?
I just crunched up a salt like vanilla.
It tastes like vanilla.
And my ice cream is a bit of salt.
Yellowish, okay.
Can I taste some?
And it can taste a little salt.
A little salt, okay.
Can I taste some?
Of course.
See if it tastes the same.
I'm gonna make one now.
It doesn't taste the
Oh.
same.
Not at all.
Maybe you shook it off. Looking at us like
drop it. Please, drop some. Just a little bit.
No, you can't have none because
Are there doggy ice cream? Oh my gosh, the doggy. Next time we might find some doggy ice cream.
Oh, you promise? Oh, ice cream.
She don't know what we're saying.
But I do know what you're saying.
Well, that was fun, everyone. I hope you learned how to make ice cream because it's so delicious.
that was so delicious. Was that delicious?
Oh my god, it was so good. Look, mine's almost finished. You finished yours before I can even finish mine. Everybody look at the camera and say, vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream.
Alright, so on the count of 3, we're gonna say vanilla ice cream. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Vanilla ice cream.
Look. The red ice cream is done. Mmm. Ooh, little brothers and sisters, you're in for a treat. This ice cream is probably the best, freshest vanilla ice cream you could ever have. Ooh wee. You wanna try some? Here. Ow.